Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 197. The young investor is apt to be nonplussed by the business vocabulary of the stockbroker. If he reads the financial articles on the stock and share markets, he will come across such expressions as buying for control, carry over facilities, day to day money, money a drug on the market, demoralized markets, professional bear account, professional bull account, and upward movement. In the mining market section, he will read of prospectors' rights, concentrating plant, reduction plant, sinking operations, and the report of a year's working will mention watts per ton, move yield per ton, and yield percent. He probably knows little of directors' qualifications and is liable to be misled into buying low yielding securities. Among the various investments, there are consolidated annuities or consols, a funded debt of the government, cumulative preference shares, non cumulative preference shares, first mortgage debentures, second preference shares, and so on. He may come across blank transfers and bearer shares and have to study the subscribed capital, the capital liabilities, the proportion of reserve to liabilities, and the surplus profits of going concerns. Full stop.